Okay, it's our first day in Greece and we're in Athens and we're going to do a fit check. Lovely sunnies. A top that my Yiga knitted me years ago. Venroy skirt. Bellini, I think. Glassons bag. Okay, my outfit is Glassons, linen. My hat, I think, is COS. My bag is COS. I've got some bangles. I've got shoes, which I don't know where they're from. And my glasses, I can't remember where they're from.
I'm going to do it quick. Op shop, Novo, Kmart.
Good job.
Why?
Zara, Zara,
Έτσι να πεις.
Birkenstocks, Prada, Colorado.
Nice.
Mary, what am I wearing? What?
Zara.
There you go.
Very quick, Glassons, Kmart, Country Road.
Just bought this now from Greece, BSB. Birkenstocks, Prada glasses.
Τι φοράς?
Όλα πρέσβουν από την κόρη μου, εκτός από το καπέλο από τη Μαρκέτα.